Hello, thank you so much. This is Awando the Sun, and I welcome you to this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for always watching my channels, watching my videos. And guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Subscribe, guys. Make this channel your home. Yes, and let's move together, guys. Today I have an amazing topic here. I have an amazing topic. Now, today's topic we want to talk about what are some of the things that if we do in school can ruin on our future. We know that we go to school to get knowledge and skills. You see, others go because they want to pass. No. For me, I say we go to school to gain knowledge and skills. That knowledge can help you in future, even if you don't have employment. The knowledge you have can help you in future. You see? So, what are some of the things that students get themselves into and later they realize that they have wasted their time? You see? What are some of these things? Number one, I was looking at this and I came across this thing that number one is indiscipline, guys. Are you aware indiscipline can ruin your future? When we were young, we used to be told, respect the elderly people, respect your parents. When we went to school, we were told, respect the teachers. Now, what can this lead to our lives? Indiscipline is something that can ruin your life totally. It doesn't matter you are employed or you are in school or what. Indiscipline is paramount in every sector. Even in society, indiscipline can help you. Because for somebody to employ you, you must be in discipline. You must be disciplined. You see? For you to go to company with somebody, you must be disciplined. Even in interview, the way you present yourself, you must be disciplined. So discipline is paramount. So in the lives of a student, if you are disciplined in school, you will find always you will be passing your exam. You will always gain friendship with the teachers, you see? Because always people love you. Even your friends love you. Some will tell you that, no, you know what? I always admire so-and-so because he or she is very disciplined, very decent always, you see? So indiscipline comes first. In everything we do, we must be disciplined. So indiscipline can ruin your life. It is something very, very bad. It is awkward. It is wicked, by the way. Indiscipline is very, very bad. Number two, laziness. A lazy student will never complete assignment at the right time and will never submit his book. Some of them cannot submit their books. They cannot consult teachers because they are lazy, you see. So laziness can make your life to be tough, your future to be bad because you will not be using your time well in school. You see? So laziness become number two. Number three, misuse of time. We know that time wasted never recovered. So if you waste your time in school now, you will regret in future. Why? If you waste your time in school, you will not find time to revise. You will not find time to consult teachers. You will not find time to form groups and discuss. You see? Because each and every time you are late. You are late, even in your studies, you are late, you hurry. When you want to study, you hurry. You see? You are never settled. If you manage your time well, you will know when to read, when to complete assignments, you see, when to go for games, when to go and hang around with friends. If you organize yourself, your time, then you will see education, just your studies will be very easy. You are going to study in an easy way, you see. So that alone can make your life to be tough in future because time wasted never recovered. You will only realize when you are in the 30 that, oh, I never used my time well, you see. Another one, guys, which is very, very important, is hating teachers. Let me tell you this. I can remember this one. This one affected me, guys, and I'm very, very sorry because I hated some of the teachers. Yeah. So once you hate somebody, you will not understand his or her subject. So hating teachers will make you fail in a particular subject. And if you fail in a particular subject, it will affect your grades. And it will affect you in future because you not like that subject. For example, if you like mathematics, you see, in life, even in money, in business that you'll be doing, you'll get involved in calculations, yes, and counting of money, you see. So if you don't like mathematics, it will ruin your life. It will make your life difficult in the start and in the future to come. You see? Another one is not consulting teachers. Let me tell you, when a teacher teaches you in class, it is never enough. There is that time that you should prepare yourself to consult teachers. If you don't understand something that he taught in class, you go privately, then you consult. That consultation can be good. A teacher can give you more information than the one he gave in class. You see, in class he was teaching overall students, and he was also going with time. But when you consult, you'll have maximum time with the teacher. You will be talking one by one, in which there will be a lot to be unveiled to you. So you will learn a lot. When you consult, you learn a lot, you learn more. If you don't do consultation, it will ruin your life in future because you're not going to pass well. You're not going to understand the concept. What school is doing is to help us learn concept. How to tackle things in real life situation, you see. So those are some of the things that if you do, there are so many things. Even lack of being disorganized, you see. In each and everything you do, you have to be organized. God himself that created you was an organized God. So you have to be organized. You have to know when to go to read, when to go to class, when to go for break. That is why in school we have breaks, we have classes, and even classes, we have durations. So it is everything that is being taught there by the timetable is all about being organized. You see? So if you organize yourself, you will always find yourself in the right direction. You will always find yourself having enough time to read, having enough time to do consultation, having enough time to understand the concept of any subject that you never understood, you see. So those are the things that can make your life not to go well when you practice them. Yeah? So those are some of the things that you as a student, you should look at them. And if you see one in your life, then you should change from that. You see? You should be punctual in class. Being late can ruin your life. Being late can make you hurry. Always you are in a hurry, you see? You are in a hurry. So you cannot do well because you are late. When you go to sit down, you panic. When people doing exam, you are almost the last to enter. When you enter into examination last, you will not do well because the rules there, you should be there 30 minutes. You should be there at least 30 minutes. Yeah? You just practice, you just go through your notes. That time now you just go through the things that you used to learn. You used to see teachers doing what you used to be taught in class, what you used to study privately. You start thinking, you must have time to think first, just to meditate on the notes and the subject, that the paper that is coming. By that you will see you will be having very good time to answer questions and to go into examination free, without stress. What makes people fall or fail in examination is panicking. Once you panic, meaning you fear that subject, you fear that examination. So once you have fear, there is no any other way you can pass. You see? But once you come to examination room, when you are free, you are very early, you see, you have settled, you are organized, that examination you are going to pass. Even if the examination is very difficult, at least you will have some questions to answer because your mind is very set, your mind is very fresh. Yes, there's no stress in your mind. So those are the things. There are so many things, you can name them. But thank you so much for listening to me. This has been JOA, Awandu the Sun, and I welcome you so much. If you're new here, guys, don't leave before subscribing. Don't leave, please. Subscribe to this channel, share this video, share it with your friends. Let me know how this video is helping you. Leave a comment in the comment section, guys, and thank you so much for watching me. This has been JOA, Awandu the Sun. Thank you so much, and may the Lord bless you.